How to remove coupons from the Dollar General app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove coupons from the Dollar General app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to remove your coupons from the Dollar General app, let's say you just had happened to add a card before and then now you've added a digital code. Now you don't want that, you want to remove it. Can you do that? Well, let me tell you that first of all, you will not be able to unclip any coupons that you've added from the Dollar General app, probably because of the way the system works. The only thing you can do is you can enter a higher value of that, but you will not be able to go ahead and then remove the coupon code that you have currently applied in this case. So if you enter the coupon code with lower value, you will not be able to redeem it, unless you will not be able to remove it unless you enter the one of higher value. So hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.